Hey everybody, this is Harshit and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the latest feature of Cursor, which is called Agent. Agent is the latest feature that Cursor has just implemented and rolled out, and it's not available to a lot of people, but it's available to a select few people as of yet. So right now, I do have access to that feature, and I'll be sharing with you guys how exactly to do that. And there's also a new feature called Bug Finder. What exactly is Bug Finder? What exactly is Composer? Let's first dive in. So immediately, as you can see, I just asked it to run the code, and I just copy pasted all of these codes and dragged them into the Composer chat, and then immediately it exactly gave me the command, and all I had to do is approve the command. Once I approve the command, it's now here, right? The entire code is right now here. And if you guys are wondering what exactly this is a dashboard that I'm working on for myself, which is going to be a quant dashboard for meme coins. The meme coin rally has begun. People have been making money with meme coin. In 2021, I didn't know how to code, but now in 2024, I can. So I'll be leveraging how to code and trading strategies to make some Solana and trade meme coins. But that's another topic. But just getting back to this part, that's how easy it is. And just to give you a live example, I'm just gonna go and do Command N, which basically creates a new Composer chat. And in this one, let's do some UI changes. All right. So let's do some UI changes to risk management. Currently, I don't like the scrolling feature here. As you can see, it's a little cut off in the beginning and in the end. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna ask Cursor to add some padding on the top and in the bottom as well, so that it's more clear and it's cleaner and it's easy to understand. So the first thing that we're going to do is a screenshot. The screenshots are the most important thing when you're directing AI, because it'll have better context, better understanding of what exactly you're pointing out. And now what you're also supposed to do is make sure to select the proper file. All right, so this is going to be risk management. Now here, this is going to be by prompt, right? What I want you to do now is that make sure to add some padding in the top and in the bottom of the risk management card. And if you guys can see, I'm actually tagging the file twice. The more number of times you tag the file, the better it understands, the better the context is, and the better your output is going to be. So that's just a simple trick that I want to share with you guys. Risk management card. Please look into the screenshot. I don't usually say please. I'm just doing it because I'm just formally recording this video. I'm very, very strict and very hard on the AI when I'm chatting. All right. Let's just say rug alert. I want you to add some padding on top of the rug alert element and some more padding under correlation matrix. Element, okay, so that all my elements in the card properly show up and are super clear. Okay. All right. So now what we're gonna do is, now that I have the prompt ready, now as you can see, there are two options here. It's this normal, and then there is agent. So agent, all you can do is just do command dot, and it's just going to do that like command period, and it'll just enter that. But for now, I'm just going to select this agent, and then I'm just going to click on submit. The best part about agent is that, remember when you were chatting, you always had to click on command enter a lot of times, but this time you don't have to do that for it to understand your entire code base. As you can see, I'll help you improve the padding. It has already started reading the file, right? This feature wasn't there before. It's like literally reading the file, and when you click it, you can also look at it. All right, so now as you can see, I didn't have to do anything. It literally just added the padding. It did everything here. All I have to do now is just accept, When I accept, done, it's done. Previously, when we were chatting, we always had to do command option save, command option save, command option save, because you always had that white dot. You always had to do that command option save. But now all you have to do is just accept it, and now it's done. Now let's just go back to our previous one. Should be this. All right, so the previous one, it's still running. All right, I've asked it to run it, it's still running. And this is a terminal. There's a terminal inside the composer itself, and it's running it. Now all I have to do is just reload, and let me see if it did add it. I don't really think it did. Sometimes there is an issue with it understanding it. So what I usually do is I'll just cancel this, just copy this command, just clear the terminal. Alright, so I think it cleared that terminal. So what I'm going to simply do is just run the exact same code in another server. So let's see what happens now. If it's working, it works. If it doesn't, we try again. Alright, as you can see, it did add the padding. It did add proper padding here. As you can see, the padding is now here. That's how easy it is. I don't have to do anything. And you guys might be wondering, like, how different is this from the chat? It is, guys. It's really different from the chat, because all I have to do is now just give the prompt, just go make my coffee, just have my coffee, just chill, just look at something else, right? Look, I can look at something that's more productive and just wait, and then I'll just complete my entire thing. And I actually stopped using chat as well. You know what? I'm just gonna hide the chat because I'm not using the chat at all. So the padding, it literally did everything for me. All I had to do is just accept the code, and then it just does it. Now let's look into what the bug finder is. So bug finder is actually an experimental feature where it's not really going to do the bug finding. So if I run now and look at it, so first it's going to compute the price. So it's going to look at the entire code base and then give us analyze. So if I just read it out loud, it says bug finder analyzes code between your current branch and the main branch in your remote repository. For the best results, run it on featured branch. All right. So what it basically does, it runs it through all the branches and then exactly gives you a proper bugs, right? It identifies the bugs. Guys, this feature was an intern. An intern used to do that. A software engineer used to look into bugs. And you guys might be thinking, okay, so bug finder is not that great. It's not that great. Maybe it's not that good. Guys, an year ago we had no cursor. Cursor wasn't properly there yet, and now we do have cursor. Now there's a feature called bug finder, and guess what? They're going to work on bug finder. They'll improve the feature even more, and I'm pretty much telling you by December 2025 a lot of things are going to change, right? So if I just click on select all, what happens if I select all? All right, so I think these are the only files. Maybe what if I just select all of these and then run bug finder? All right, so it's not properly selecting all the files, but maybe there should be a way to do that. But bug finder, I'll be sharing with you guys another video where we generally have bugs to find out. But yes, guys, the composer has literally changed a lot of things, and this is going to be my meme coin dashboard, which I have completely built. If you do understand the Web3 space, if you do understand a little bit, then you know what exactly I'm currently working on. And all of this, nobody helped me do it. I am building it myself. And I'm actually creating a Telegram bot as well, which is going to give me all the updates clearly in my Telegram group. And this wasn't possible before, at least for me. Now it is. So I'm going to build it. I'm just going to go all in building it, and just tap into the best meme coins and basically make some money if it's possible, right? So let's see how the strategy works, but that's another topic. I'm really working on this because I genuinely do want to try this out, because and now we have code, guys. But yes, I don't want to go over our time today, but this is something that I wanted to share. Do give it a try. Do give Composer, Agent Composer a try. Actually, I'll show you guys how I got access to this, right? So this was on Twitter, and then this guy basically posted saying, how to update. He actually just posted a tweet, right? He posted a tweet saying, DM me to get access to Cursor. All right. So and then he said, "I got you, fam. If anyone asks, it didn't come from me. Don't tell him that it came from this." But yes, that's how I got it. That's how I was able to download the latest feature on Apple Silicon. And if you guys want to try this out, maybe I can share this link with you guys. Maybe I can just share this link with you guys, and that's how I downloaded it. But yes, that's all for the video today, and thanks again for watching, guys. This was a nice video that I wanted to share with you guys of understanding agents is a game changer, guys, and you guys should definitely give it a try. And that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.